Klipboard AI is your built-in assistant, helping your team move faster, reduce manual effort, and get more from Autowork One every day. A customer calls to say they're bringing their vehicle in today. Just ask the assistant to find their details. Select the right customer and ask for more detail. All key customer and invoice details are shown in one place. Need a specific invoice? Just ask. The full invoice is returned instantly. Less searching, less clicking, faster decisions, more time for customers. Klipboard AI is built directly into Autowork One, helping your team find answers faster and keep work moving. See what Klipboard AI could do for your business.